In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Trends language. If you use Google Trends to research topics, compare search interest, or explore what's popular right now, switching the interface to your preferred language can make everything clearer and faster to navigate. The process is quick, and you can switch back at any time. Start by opening your web browser and going to trends.google.com. You can type that directly into the address bar and hit enter. You'll land on the Google Trends homepage where you'll see options for exploring trending searches, topics by region, and comparisons over time. There's nothing you need to set up in advance, just head straight to the site. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down and look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. That's where Google Trends keeps the language control. On a computer, you'll usually see the current language displayed there, like English, Espanol, or another language, sometimes alongside a small globe icon. On a phone or tablet, keep scrolling to the footer and look for that same language label. It's easy to miss if you stop in the middle of the page, so be sure you reach the very bottom. Now change the language. Click or tap the language label to open the list, then select the language you want to use. The page may refresh automatically, and the interface, things like menus, headings, filters, and labels, will switch to your chosen language right away. That's it. You've changed the Google Trends display language. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most out of this. Changing the language here affects the Google Trends interface, not your overall Google account settings, and it doesn't translate the search queries you type. If you're researching terms in another language, enter them exactly as users type them, including accents or special characters, so your results are accurate. Also, the region and time filters inside Trends remain separate. Your language choice doesn't change which country or date range you're analyzing, so set those filters as needed for your research. If you ever want to switch back, return to the bottom right corner and pick a different language the same way. It's a flexible setting, so feel free to adjust it depending on the project you're working on or the collaborators you're sharing results with. That's the whole process. Go to trends.google.com, scroll to the bottom right corner, and choose your preferred language. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring data in the language that works best for you.